Japan, the divine bond with Hindu devatas. The divine bond between India and Japan goes back to several centuries. It is fascinating to study the worship of many Hindu devatas in Japan, which is well known for its pioneering feat in science and technology. Professor Hajime Nakamura, a Japanese scholar, says without Indian influence, Japanese culture would not be what it is today. India is culturally mother of Japan. Young and old visit the Kanda Myojin temple in Tokyo, which is the guardian temple of computers. Talisman is given for protection of modern gadgets. Mahakala, Daikakuten, is a major devata worshipped here. Esoteric import of Veda is found in Shingon Buddhism in Japan, which came through China. Shingon is known as true word in China, which corresponds to mantra. Vedic ritual Homa, that is Goma in Japan, is performed in temples. It consists of mantra, mudra, and mandalas. Zen is dhyana. Shinto is the indigenous religion of Japan, where nature gods are propitiated. Now there seems to be a mixture of both Buddhism and Shinto religions. Many Shinto deities in Japan incorporate Buddhist attributes, and many Buddhist deities incorporate Shinto attributes. Japanese names of Hindu devatas correspond to their Chinese attributes since they have landed here through China. Saraswati, Benzatyne, Brahma, Fontaine, Indra, Taishakuten, Varuna, Sutain, Vayu, Hutane, Kubera, Bishamontaine, Ganesha, Shotain and Kangitain, Agni, Katain, Mahakala, Daikakuten, Yama, Yamma, Lakshmi, Kichijotain, Narayana, Narayantain, and so on. Devi Saraswati, of Rigvedic origin, has the most venerable position in Japan in Shinto as well as Buddhist temples. Philip Franz von Siebold, a German scholar, has recorded that there were 131 shrines dedicated to Devi Saraswati in Tokyo in 19th century current era. Saraswati, who is praised as Devi Tame, highest among devatas by Vedic rishis, is known by various names based on her various attributes like Benzatyne, goddess of talent and wealth, Bentane, goddess of speech, Sama Benzamini, goddess of music, Mayoten, goddess of sweet voice, Dibenzatyne, goddess of great intelligence, and so on. Many legends are found in Japan depicting how artists and writers get inspiration from Devi Saraswati. It relates to Rigvedic mantra describing her as Chodayitri Sunrutanam Prachetayati Ketuna. She inspires pious thoughts and bestows intelligence. Saraswati as Shakti Devata. Saraswati is worshipped in Japan both as serene, Shanta, and fierce, Krodha form. She holds Veena in her both hands in Shanta form and holds weapons, bow, arrow, sword, trident, axe, vajra, chakra, and noose in her 8 arms in Krodha form. Army generals used to chant Saraswati mantra while marching towards battles. This reflects her attribute as Vrutragni, the slayer of demon Vrutra in Rigveda. A painting of the 8-armed Saraswati dating back to 13th century is preserved at the University of Fine Arts, Tokyo. Japanese people in general believe that the Hindu deities, known to them as Chinese, bestow quick material benefits and answers to all their prayers. Tradition and modernity exist in perfect harmony here. It is amazing to see the spread of Indian culture and worship of Hindu devatas in Japan since many hundreds of years. Thanks for watching the worship of Hindu devatas in Japan. It would be nice to see your likes and comments. Please subscribe. Videos on the glorious Indian culture and heritage since Vedic age would be uploaded soon. Dr. Jayanti Manohar, explorer of Vedic knowledge and voyager of Indian culture. Our Kannada book Sagaradache Haradiruva Bharatiya Samskruti contains a detailed account on Indian culture found in Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, and Japan, along with related photographs. My videos on Indian culture found in transoceanic countries and Ramayana, the glory of the great saga of Rama, are available in YouTube. Videos with commentary in English, Indian culture in Cambodia, Indian culture found in Thailand, Devabhoomi, Indonesia, cultural bond with India. Ramayana binds India with the transoceanic countries. Videos with commentary in Kannada. Indian culture in Cambodia, Cambodia ದೇಶದ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಭವ್ಯ ಸ್ಮಾರಕಗಳು. ಇಂಡೋನೇಷಿಯಾ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಭಾರತದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಂಡೋನೇಷಿಯಾದ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಅನುಬಂಧ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಥೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಣೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೋಶಾನಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಹಿಂದೂ ದೇವತಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಜಪಾನ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಣೆ. ರಾಮಾಯಣ, ಗ್ಲೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಾಗಾ ಆಫ್ ರಾಮ, ರಾಜ ರಾಮನ ಮಹೋನ್ನತ ಚರಿತೆಯ ಮಹಿಮೆ. ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮೃತ ವಾಹಿನಿ 9845147080. Dr. Jayanti Manohar and B.S. Manohar.